Hey, Omni, hope you having a fantastic day. I'm sitting here checking this stamp, trying to figure out how to re-ink it. Any notaries in the house? Y'all got this type of stamp? Like, I am really trying to figure out how to re-ink it. I'm just getting ready for an appointment today, and I have to re-ink. I don't have any gloves. My children used up all my gloves, so I got all this ink on my hands now. Better put this back in my bag. Right here, this is my notary bag. This is where I carry all my notary supplies. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill out some of my notarial certificates and everything like that. And I have sticky notes. So what I do on my sticky notes, if anybody wants to know, when I have a notary appointment, what I normally do is I write the date. I write the date on there, so they won't have to keep asking me what day it is. So today is the 22nd. Hey Zeta, how you doing? So I normally write on there for my notary appointments. I write on there the date so my client will know. So this is just what I do. Normally in the notary business, they want you to write out the 4-digit year. So I write it out like this. This is exactly what I do. And I'll show you all how I write it out and how I present it. So this is how I write it out on a sticky note. And I stick it on the table so they can see. So when they won't have to say, oh, what's the day? Because in a loan closing, you have to write the date out a number of times. So this always lets them know what the date is. So I always carry me a sticky note. You can get these at the $1.25 store. And just carry them in your bag so you can write out the date for people so they'll know what day it is. So whenever they sign in their documents, they have that out in front of them. So that's what I do. And also beforehand, as part of my preparation, I stick this on top of the FedEx packet envelope like this. So all that. So if I have multiple closings for that day, so I might have the documents, like I have a closing tomorrow, so I might have the documents, and I just stack them up, on top of each other, so I know which date each one, go by. So that's what I do for that. So I'm just sitting here getting everything situated right now. Hey, Scheduler. Hey, Keisha. How y'all doing? Just talking about my notary appointment today. Just getting everything ready. I was trying to figure out how to re-ink my notary stamp. Hey, Cookie. Hope you're having a fantastic day. But I got all this ink on my hands right now. So don't forget to share my live, you all. Don't forget to share my live. Don't forget to share my live. So yeah, so that's what I got going on today. Just getting my documents prepped before my appointment. So I gotta wash my hands right now because they are nasty. So give me a moment. I'm gonna leave that alone for right now. So I'm going to just leave that alone for right now. And go through these documents. They have a lot of instructions on these documents. In this package. So I'm just going to take the time to go through them now. Wow, I got time. So you normally have to print off 2. So I'm just take out the time. They want you to use blue ink, not black ink. So let me get my blue ink pens out. I have some that I like to use better than others. Let's see here. I gotta put some more in this one. Uh-oh. I like these. I wonder if that one about dead. About gone.